Hello, you motorcycle enthusiasts. In addition to the disassembly and assembly videos you're already familiar with, here's a short video series that will give you a closer look at the contents of Keister repair kits. I'll show you what's inside and what it's used for. What we got on the table here today is a repair kit for the carburetor of the Yamaha TDM850. Now, the name of the model is 3VD. Now, because there are two carbs, that means you have to order two repair kits. So let me show you what's in there. So for starters, we've got this large nozzle here, or jet, which is going to limit the fuel flow to the choke inside the carb. Now, this is the main jet, and it's a plugged one. There's a new O-ring, but I'm going to show you that in more detail in a sec. And right here, we've got the idle jet, and this is a new float needle valve. The lead has already been installed in the carb, so you don't get a new one because it's this plastic frame right here that also holds a float in place. And this here's a new mixing tube. And this is a new partial load needle with a matching clip. And then we've got these two air jets up here. The slightly larger one is at the front on the air filter side of the carburetor, and that in the slightly smaller one is at the top under the membrane. And here's also a float chamber gasket. Here's a new air mixture screw. I've put them here in the right order. So they all belong together, a spring, a washer, and a very small O-ring. And then we've got various other O-rings. I'm going to start over here. This one over here goes under the top of the vacuum cover where the synchronization connections are to be able to connect to the vacuum gauges. And this molded part right here is under the screwed-in nozzle block, and it's important to replace that. And I'm going to start here with the largest O-ring. This is the O-ring under the slide guide, that's the gray plastic part, in which a slider slides up and down. And here's the next smaller O-ring. This O-ring is part of the plastic part that holds a float in place in which a float needle valve is inserted, so that's going to provide a reasonable seal. So one size smaller, and now I got to show you this on the carb. This O-ring is for the T-piece, which is used here for venting. That's why there's an O-ring here and here. And the smallest of the ones I've put here, this little thin O-ring belongs to the main nozzle it's plugged in, and it's held in place by a safety plate. And that should pretty much wrap it up. And like I've said before, if you're going to go through the whole trouble of taking one of these carbs apart, you might as well go ahead and get some of these parts replaced and make sure that the carburetor lasts for as long as possible before its next cleaning. Yes, friends, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. We appreciate your support through subscriptions and wish you lots of fun while working on your projects. Until the next video, ciao.